In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the gas tank straps for the front gas tank on a Ford F-150. So now I'm going to use the gas tank jack. I'm going to support the fuel tank. Needed to, we could tilt it, get the cushions to sit on it. Now that I have the jack holding the tank in place, I can take the gas tank straps down. 13mm wrench for the top, hold that bolt, and a 15mm socket for the nut. If you can reuse the nut and bolt, I recommend it. So the gas tank strap has like a T on the end here, and it goes into this little T fitting. So you have to turn it to get it to come out. Just like that. Same on the rear strap here, 13mm wrench on the top, 15mm socket. As you can see, our strap here is so badly rusted. It just fell out. The strap broke, so it fell right out of the holder. Just do the same technique you did on the front strap with that T and slide it out. And now I'm going to put the new gas tank strap in on the most forward part of the gas tank. And you have that T notch. So you just slide it basically in like that. Push it up and lock it in. See how it's locked in there? And then you can form it to where it needs to be. And you can see the tank, it's got that line in it. So I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to pre-bend it a little bit. And I already left my bolt in there. Now I could bring that up. All right, let's get my air gun. For me, it's a 13mm wrench for the top of the bolt and 15mm socket. I'm not going to snug it up because I'm going to have to put the back strap on and manipulate this tank to center it. And then we'll tighten it all up. So I've got the rear gas tank strap I'm putting in right now. Now you can see our frame is pretty wasted and the bracket's pretty bad. So obviously just put it in the same way you did the front with that T going in that slot. It seems to be holding enough so that I can put this on. Okay, the rear bolt. There we go. And then we're gonna snug that up. Okay, I'm going to snug the front. Now I can lower the gas tank jack. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.